1972 Iran blizzard. We are going to be talking about the blizzard and atmospheric conditions. Blizzards are caused when a warm front and cold front collide. The cold air, which will be the cold front, which temperatures will be below freezing, will come underneath the warm front, causing the precipitation falling to form into snow. This collision will also result in high-speed winds. The 1972 Iran blizzard is considered one of the deadliest snowstorms in the history, taking place in rural, northwestern, central, and southern Iran. It lasted from February 3rd to the 9th and dropped to around 10 to 26 feet in snow, with temperatures as low as negative 13 degrees Fahrenheit. The impact this blizzard had on the biosphere was very severe. Many plants, trees, and crops were severely, if not completely, damaged due to the extreme cold weather. According to the Environmental Protection Agency, blizzards have the power to cause heavy damage to forests, which results in an imbalance. Limited food resources being cut off by the blizzard and the destruction of habitat leaves no way of knowing how many species of animals, plants, etc. were impacted by this event.